What's up guys, so over here I have my Nintendo Switch 2 and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch 2. First things first, you have to make sure that your Nintendo Switch 2 is connected to the internet, and then from the home of your Nintendo Switch 2 you just want to navigate downwards and then navigate horizontally until you get to the Nintendo eStore over here. Go ahead and select that. Now you want to select the user that wants to access the Nintendo eStore. In my case, I only have this user over here, so I'll go ahead and select it. You also have to make sure that your user has a Nintendo account linked to it, or else you're going to get the prompts to create and link a Nintendo account. I have made a separate tutorial on that particular video, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that in the description of this video. You can go ahead and check that. Now, once you select your user, what you want to do from the Nintendo eStore is to just scroll over to the search option we have here. So come over here, and then you want to navigate horizontally to this input field. Go ahead and select that, and then just proceed to type Fortnite, and once you're done, just come over to this search icon and then select search. And as you can see, these are actually all of the Fortnite games. Now, since we are downloading Fortnite for Nintendo Switch 2, I'll just scroll over to the right hand side where we have Switch 2 at the top over here. So select this option, not the former Fortnite from the Nintendo Switch 1. So just select this. You don't have to worry, Fortnite is actually free to download. So what you just want to do at this particular point is to navigate to the free download option over here. So just navigate to free download and click on download. And then you just want to scroll down and then click on free download over here. Now you'll be taken to the thank you page. What you just want to do is to scroll down and click on close to close the Nintendo eStore, and then just wait for some seconds. And you're going to find out that the Fortnite game will now be added to our Nintendo Switch 2 and start downloading. What you just want to do at this point is to click on OK. It has now been added. Click on OK one more time. Once it is done downloading, you can just select it to open up and play Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch 2. You can also click it now just to be able to find out how much time you still have before the game is downloaded completely on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.